back to the channel. Today we are unboxing Crompton Radiance Ray Plus LED batten. So this batten is 24 watts, 2400 lumens. It's a plastic batten, shockproof, and this is 300 rupees, 300 to 350 rupees. Radiance Ray Plus. I have Crompton Slim Ray Plus and Smart Linear as well, both awesome LED tubes. So thought to replace one of my dead Vipro tube sets with this. So showing at a few features. As always, made in India, guys. Always buy made in India. No Chinese like XX brands garbages. And you can see this is the whole box. And this is the tube. This is the applications. The specs. Eco LED batten, 24 watts. The actual MRP. This is 8/20/20, which is basically 2 months old. All this customer care information, that's it on the box. Let's remove the tube. So guys, this is the LED out of the box. As you can see, that's the date, everything from which shop I purchased it, and rest of it, the label, specifications, Radiance Ray logo, Crompton. This is the round diffuser tube. The square diffuser ones are also there. So now let me explain a few technical facts. So this is the wire, as you can see, 2 wires. This is the live and this is the neutral. Now some people, I can call them idiots, they say we need to maintain polarity while connecting this to the ceiling rolls or with a plug wherever you're using it. Now the fact behind this is this is a bridge rectifier inside. The ballast is a bridge rectifier, so it doesn't play on the polarity. It doesn't work on the polarity because this is AC current, no polarization. Obviously, if someone is using this LED in a 2-pin plug, for example, they'll not check the polarity, right? They'll put it inside whichever way. And most of the times, who has time to put tester and check? See, if you're doing it for ceiling fan or something, we can test, but for LEDs and all, it's not required nowadays. All these safe technologies with bridge rectifiers and all safety features, you don't need to worry. So let's install the tube set, and I'll show you both the polarities of the tube running, because someone said that tube will run only on this in live and this in neutral. Guys, before I install the tube, let me share one more fact with you. So this is the brand new clip from the LED package, and this is the previous LED clip. So let's compare the clips. In this case, the clips are almost same diameter, but you can see the Crompton one is a little bit thinner. This is because different brands and different LEDs have this backside, this thickness, and the size is different. So if you put this on a bigger clip, it will sit loose. If you try to put this on a smaller clip, the clip will break. So you please, whenever you swap LEDs, use the clips provided in the packet and don't mix and match. If it fits with the existing clips, it's good. If it doesn't, then please change it. So guys, presently the tube is on wrong polarity. This is the live, this is the neutral. But this is the live, this is the neutral, but I have put the reverse connections. So let's switch it on. So as you guys can see, on reverse polarity, light is running. So awesome. Let me properly connect this. So guys, now you can see correct polarity. So that's it for this. So guys, let me show you the wide angle spread of the light. You can see it spreads to the whole room evenly, no problem whatsoever. So guys, hence proved polarity is not required in LED lights or any lights whatsoever. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video coming soon.